beautiful midnight blue 2022 Porsche Macan GTS. The car came in with some partial PPF already installed, so we left that alone. The owner did not want that taken off, and my suggestion was do the whole front end instead of some partial work. You can see where there's already some impacts here. For the film did its job, but anyway, so what we did, even though it was a very well taken care of car, it still needed a paint correction. So that's what we did a paint correction. Then everything was ceramic coated. When I say everything, really the exterior, just the paint work, and of course over the PPF. No ceramic coating on the wheels and calipers. Those were just thoroughly cleaned up, but you can see the reflection, the gloss level on this paint. I mean, even though it's a daily driver, we really always try to do a paint correction, to the best of our ability, without necessarily going into perfection, because we still keep in mind that it's not a showpiece. It's it's not a once in a while taking it out for a nice drive kind of car. It's still a daily driver, but our goal is still always to get the best results. So here you can see the results. I always get up close with my camera, so there's no hiding of anything. I do it under proper lighting, so again, nothing is hidden. So anybody can make the car, even a car that barely has been washed, you can make it look pretty decent under the right lighting conditions, etc. Unfortunately, the sun I think there's a cloud coming in front of the sun, but you can still see how beautiful the gloss is. Normally, a client would have asked to have the front windows tinted. With this client, I did not discuss whether tint is perhaps something they don't like at all, because I do have clients like that who actually say, nope, I actually don't like tint at all, so leave it as is. But with this car, it was not discussed, so I'm not sure. Maybe they'll eventually will want to have the front windows tinted to match. Yeah, look at this thing. It's beautiful. I'm trying to get the right angle so you can truly see the nature of the colors. But again, unfortunately, there's a cloud moving right in front of the sun. It's early in the morning. It's the morning sun rising. Oh, there it is again. Good. Well, there you have it. Beautiful midnight blue Macan GTS. They're going to be picking it up today, and it'll be going back to daily driver duty.